Yeah, this is all to you motherfucking haters. Yeah, let, let's get it. Uh, yo, I started from the bottom to the top, watch me go. Motherfucking flow is cognito. Watch me roll. Yo, I seen it all before, no matter what they talking about. I been from the bottom when I see the top right now. It's cause stars the limit, what they don't know how I feel it. Cause I'm just doing me and I'm just living the life that I'm supposed to be. No matter what they telling me, this shit is intelligent. The way that I'm flowing, gonna be on time, no stop. The way that I'm feeling, I'm so crazy. And maybe they should lock me up crazy. I'm just feeling like I should be understanding how I should see. I'm talking to the world like I see the whole picture, like they should still be on my level, but they on my back, cause they ain't never been there, cause they ain't never counting cash like me. Motherfucker, know I be counting them G's, sucking 150, 20 tens in a rubber band, at least I get mine. Yo, I fly, I still grind, getting that shit, cause you ain't never had the time, cause I'm realist about it, and they understand what it is all about it. I'm talking money, getting that, understand money with bitches over there, and what they say I couldn't do it, well they know I'm getting that. I'm talking the label signing, but motherfuckers they flying, but I know that I'm on my head when I say that I'm grinding. I'm talking spitting that flow, where the fuck that I'm going, there ain't no way that I'm stopping, cause I'm a showstopper though. I'm talking till the curtain closing, till the fucking death of me. Understand that's how I do it when it comes around the street. I be on it like the lights on, motherfucking bright, y'all. Understand the white kids still running that, y'all. Understand the best at it, you know I'm right at it. I'm talking top in the world, cause you know I'm right back it. I'm talking Mac, no, I'm talking, yeah, I know there ain't no way that I'm stopping, cause I might drop bombs. Talking where you know that I'm just carrying on. My flow is so sick, where you think they're gonna stop me? And no, ain't no doubt about it. I'm all about that shit. And if you're talking about money, that's all the money to spend. Nah.